Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be talking about how to log out from the Crunchyroll app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply go in your home screen and press open the Crunchyroll app. Once you tap it open, it will take some time to boot itself up. So, after your Crunchyroll app gets fully booted up, you will end up in this kind of page. Now, all you need to do is simply tap on the accounts option. So, once you press on account, you need to scroll down below where you can find the logout option. So, to simply log out, you need to tap on the logout option and you will be logged out of your account. So, this is how you log out from your Crunchyroll app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.